slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys, Michael with our Sub back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at another pair of Travis Scott Jordan 1s. Sorry about that, I had to get a hair off my bed. Travis Scott Jordan 1s, these are from YesKicks. They are a UA pair if you're new to the channel. But before we get into everything, if you are new to the channel and it's your first time watching me, if you could do me a favor, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. Also remember to drop a like on the video if you're a new or old viewer of mine. And last but not least, turn on notifications for the channel. And remember to hit that link in the description for my Instagram. Shoot me a follow on there if you want to see some fit pics, ask polls every now and then. I keep you guys posted on new videos, all that sort of stuff. So without further ado, let's get into these shoes. They took about a week, give or take, to arrive. I placed the order on, I think, May 1st, and they got here yesterday, which was the 10th. But that's because I believe from the 1st to the 5th it was on Labor holiday, so yeah, that kind of screwed that up. But give or take, it takes about a week to get to Canada with the MS, so take that into consideration. It does come double box, bubble wrapped, always super dope quality when it comes to the packaging and stuff like that as well. So yeah man, let's get into these shoes. This is the information right here. I actually got a new mattress recently, so my recording space is going to be so much better for me not having to bend down all the way and take a look at the shoes. So there's all the information though. YesKicks.cn is their site, email is service@repkicks.cn, and WeChat is RepKicks. So take a look at that. Just a little disclaimer, I don't condone buying any of this stuff. You guys do what you want with your money. I'm just showing you what I do with mine. So yeah. These are not a pair for me actually either. These are a pair for a friend, so there you go. I'm gonna put it to his side. Take a look at the box. You guys have seen this probably many times now. Just a regular box, nothing crazy about this. It is brown instead of black for a Jordan 1 box. So like all this, even though it may not look brown on the video, it's like a grayish muddy brown instead of where it would be black on a regular retro 1 box. There's a size tag. Sail black dark mocha Air Jordan 1 high OG Travis Scott. I don't know what the SP means at the end, but yeah, if you do know, let me know. And then you do have the 1985 Air Jordan 1 Nike logo on all the sides of the box. Little Nike sticker on the bottom, some branding, nothing crazy. And then when you open it, you're welcome with this nice pink paper. Has all the Jordan logo, Jordan Wings logo, Travis face right there, Nike Air, Cactus Jack logo. If you rock with my channel, you know I'm a big time fan of Travis, like since Days Before Rodeo, Al Faro, like super heavy, like when Kanye was co-signing him and stuff. So super dope shoe. Like I said, I already have my pair. These are for a friend, but yeah, super big fan of this collab. By far his best shoe with Jordan brand since his coming together with them. So yeah, let's get this pink paper. That's pretty much it. Nothing else in the box. Get that little sticker as well that would come on retail shoes. And yeah, throw that to his side. Let's take a quick look at these shoes to see what you guys should be expecting from YesKicks. So you can see the Stadium Goods tag was included. YesKicks is kind of hit or miss. They sometimes include tags like StockX Stadium Goods, sometimes not. It just depends, I guess, where they source the shoes from. So yeah, suede on this pair, pretty good. Could be a little bit like hairier, I guess. Nah, it's pretty good actually. It's solid. So just this one part's kind of more like rough suede. But yeah, you got the backwards swoosh in nice tumble leather. You got this, which is tumble leather as well. Stadium Goods tag right there if you guys want to take a look at that. It says this on the back. So yeah. And you do also have, of course, the tongue has the Nike Air right there. And then the Cactus Jack on the right side. Doesn't come fully laced. This is exactly how it came out of the box. It's gonna take this out, hopefully it's not too hard. There we go. So took that out. It does come with the Jordan shoe tree in it. Black laces, of course. There's what the insides look like. Got the Nike Air in red, size 9.5 men's. Put the size tag right there. You do also have the pockets that fully open as well. Don't know how well I'm gonna be able to open them on video with one hand, but if I don't manage, you guys already have seen my other reviews. Okay, there we go, I got it. So yeah, on the inside, it's just a red interior, and it is all throughout, just about to where the white tumble leather starts. So you can hide something in there, I guess. You guys do what you want to do with it. Oh no, it's there. Pretty dope little addition though. Definitely makes the shoe unique from others. Obviously, we haven't seen too many shoes with that detailing. There's the Wings logo as well. The bottom of the R is touching the bottom of the D, so that's good. This is what the toe box. The toe box actually looks pretty good. It is a little high, but nothing crazy. It's a lot better than the pairs that I got. Nice tumble leather as well in the toe box. And moving on over to this side, you do have the Cactus Jack in 3M. I don't know why you guys can see that, but you see that, the Cactus Jack logo. And then just a regular swoosh and tumble leather. So yeah, back of the shoe, got the Travis face imprinted into there, embossed, and I don't know, not engraved, but bottom of the shoe. There you go. Not gonna make this video super long just because I covered, what is this, my third pair, I think. I got two pairs, one which I gave to a friend, or I sold to a friend, and then this one, and then my personal pair as well. So yeah, there's the left shoe. Could be a little neater there on the paint on the midsole, but nothing that I see beyond that. Cactus Jack logo 3M, face on the back. So there you go. You do get the extra laces as well. They're just stuffed inside these shoes pretty well. So you do get pink. Ooh, this looks to be a lot more hot pink than I think it should be. I don't know. I remember my laces being a little bit less like hot pink than this, so that could be a flaw, but I'm not exactly sure. Like, I could just not be remembering the shoe properly, no idea. So yeah, get a pair of pink laces, white laces, these are brown, and then red as well. So you get 4 pairs of laces. Cactus Jack on the inside of this one, on the insole. There's the tongue. So yeah, take a look at that. Pretty good. Toe box on this one, not bad. Again, same deal. You see the same quality all over. So yeah, there's a quick look, guys, at the Travis Scott Jordan 1s from YesKicks. If you're new to the channel, like I said, you know what to do. With all that being said, hopefully you guys have an awesome day. More heat on the way as always, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace.